miles per hour and I'm on the throttle, there's our partial braking, full braking. So that was our cadence, was you had the audible warning and a visual warning for 1 second, partial braking where you for that first initial jet, and then the system decides, hey, we're not taking control. If I don't do anything, there's going to be an imminent collision here. So collision mitigation to control full automatic braking, and it looks like we stopped just in time.
It's safe.
You're noticing when you're not hearing the squeaks and rattles, the new material, the quietness inside the cab. And then...
It's quiet. It performs on-road and off.
We knew we needed to, update the operator, the driver environment inside the cab, and then also make a significant upgrade to the electrical system to enable some of the groundbreaking technologies that we are able to offer in safety, and connectivity, and in upfit efficiency. And so that's what we've done with the M2 106 Plus, M2 112 Plus, 108 SD Plus, 114 SD Plus.
The Plus Series features the Detroit Assurance 5 suite of safety systems, which include active brake assist, lane departure warning, optional side guard assist, and adaptive cruise control, which adjusts to maintain a safe following distance down to 10 miles per hour. The suite is available with all Detroit engine models, and now certain features can be ordered when speccing a Cummins engine.
Essentially, we have the camera system, the radar system mounted on the bumper. We're able to fuse those signals together to really deliver the best in decision making in terms of whether to do a partial brake or full brake on a moving vehicle, stationary vehicle, moving pedestrian.
The enhancements to the interior include improved insulation to muffle exterior noise, higher quality plastics to reduce squeaks and rattles, a driver-centric dash and information center, a customizable switch layout, and adjustable ergonomic seats. Connectivity of the Plus Series allows access to a virtual technician for remote diagnostic service, a safety event viewer to monitor driver safety performance, and remote updates on engine parameters. The Plus Series engine is a DD13 Gen 5, partnered with the Detroit DT12V transmission that has an off-road mode, hill start aid, and rock-free mode for wheel-stuck situations. Now, depending on the truck model, the Plus Series lineup will also feature the Cummins B6.7, L9, and X12 diesel engine options, as well as L9N and ISX12N natural gas-powered engines. Eaton manual and automated manual transmissions and Allison automatic transmissions are also available for Plus Series trucks. The quick-fit electrical system allows for the integration of truck equipment into the vehicle, with critical connection points, more power sources, programmable switches, customizable parameters, and interlock features. There's also a check tool interface to view and modify electrical configurations. Greg Trinan of Daimler Trucks North America tells me the biggest difference that drivers and operators will notice will be the comfort in the cab.
It's just astounding how comfortable it is to actually ride in those trucks throughout the day. And so I think that's something that our customers thought, and their drivers, their operators will notice right off the bat.
All right, let's get rolling.
The Plus Series truck I drove at the American Center for Mobility's 3.7-kilometer test track in Ypsilanti, Michigan, was equipped with most of the items I just listed. I even set off the lane departure warning a couple of times.
There's your lane departure warning on the right side.
On the off-road test area, the cab was quiet, and the ride was comfortable rumbling through the bumps and loose dirt.
All of those things that our customers have come to know and love about the M2 and SD over time, and now we've made that product even better with the Plus Series.
Arturo Santiago, Heavy Equipment Guide.